Hey, I'm Clint with Family Handyman, and here are a couple tips on eliminating crabgrass from your lawn. Timing is key when it comes to preventing crabgrass. If you wait too long, the crabgrass is going to take root and you're going to be out of luck. You're generally going to want to do this earlier in the season, maybe around the second mowing or so. Since it's that early in the season, it's nice to pick a product that has both fertilizer and crabgrass preventer. Also, make sure you pick one that has time release nitrogen, otherwise you're going to run the risk of burning up your lawn. Even with fertilizer, you're probably still going to get some crabgrass. Now, early in the season, you can get away with pulling it because the shoots are so small that the holes left over aren't going to do any real damage to your lawn. You're primarily going to see this growth along sidewalks because the sidewalk is going to heat up the soil. Now, if those crabgrass clumps get too big, you're not going to be able to pull them up because it's going to do too much damage to the surrounding lawn. In situations like that, you can do a light mist with something like a weed and feed. So you can still get rid of the crabgrass, but also nourish the lawn around it. So one of the best ways to actually prevent crabgrass is going to be simply to have a healthy lawn. A thick, healthy lawn is going to crowd out weeds, not give them a chance to grow. Here are 5 tips for a healthy lawn. Number 1, don't water every single day. That actually promotes a weaker root system. You want to water once a week for about an hour because they'll have deeper roots and they'll be more heat tolerant. Number 2, your lawn should be about 2 to 3 inches in length. If it's less than 2 inches, that's going to give the crabgrass a chance to move back in, which we don't want. Also, make sure that your mower blade is very sharp. That'll keep your grass healthy, and make sure you leave the lawn clippings on the grass for a nice natural fertilizer. Number 3, be sure to aerate your lawn at least once a year, especially if it has any clay in it. More oxygen into your lawn is going to mean a healthier lawn. You can rent an aerator at any home center. Number 4, make sure you fertilize and don't use too much nitrogen because that can make your lawn more susceptible to weed growth. Make sure you use one that has time-release nitrogen, and for roughly 1,000 square foot lawn, you're not going to want to use more than 3 pounds annually. Last but not least, number 5, you're going to want to reseed damaged areas of your lawn in the fall. This is sometimes referred to as overseeding. And the fall is a great time to do it because you have warm days, cool nights, and you have dew on the grass in the morning. And that's it. Hopefully these 5 tips will give you a healthier lawn and help you defeat the dreaded crabgrass. For more lawn care tips, you can visit familyhandyman.com.